What's going on, guys? So it's been 4 months since I installed the Provista St Augustine, and people are wanting updates. A little dry right now, haven't watered. So we have, this is all Provista all the way up to here, which becomes Floratam, and that's Provista in the far back as well. One thing with Provista that they did not tell us is it's not supposed to get weeds once it's fully taken. But as you can see, we get quite a good bit of weeds in ours. So I'm actually going to the store to get some weed killer for it. Told us no weed killer, no fertilizer, nothing like that for so many months. But I'm noticing Provista looks great and has great potential, but it's hard to maintain, to be honest. So all around the front it's yellow. Still trying to figure out why. It was nice and green for the longest time. Middle was really good. I do need to add some more water right now. Probably tomorrow I'll water it. But the weeds are driving me nuts. So we're gonna get some Spectricide with that's weed killer for St. Augustine put on here, because our all-in-one weed feed isn't doing it. The grass itself is very healthy, super thick, doesn't grow very fast at all, unfortunately. So whenever you have a bad area, it does take a lot longer for it to turn out nice. The Provista that I put in here is dead. Everything died in here. I'm actually going to take and resod all this here soon. So this got taken over by weeds and chinch bugs. Over here got taken over by weed and chinch bugs. And it's partially my fault, but even my neighbor's grass is getting attacked. Then this whole area is getting resodded due to several things: weeds, chinch bugs, grubs, actually filling in this area that used to be a flower bed. But the weeds are just running rampant. I've got a ton of weed and feed by Lasco on here, and it isn't doing anything for these weeds. I mean, nothing. The weeds are just running rampant. So we're gonna get all that taken care of today, and we'll see what happens. So this is a 4-month update.